everyone. We are now passing by the construction zone on Archer Avenue. They have a crane over here. The crane is right here by 153rd Street, so we're going to see if we will be making sure we avoid the madness. I think we are staying on the regular route today. Let's see. Taking a left? No, we're not. Taking over to film this part. So, yeah.
Thank you for riding with us.
I didn't think if I heard that part. I think they're not accepting any other payment. I do apologize, this bike rack is in the way. It should be. So, looks like we are going to make our regular stop soon at 153rd Street. I think the driver had mentioned that we will be going by the Home Depot, so we'll see how bad the construction is today. I mentioned yesterday that I think there's the crane. There it is. That's the crane. I don't know if we'll be making a left or not. We'll see. We'll see where we're going. But let's see. I think we're going to be in the left turn only lane by 153rd. Let's see. Let's see. Excellent. I think we are in the left turn lane today. Good. Very good. We have to wait to make the turn. I don't know if there's a left turn signal here, but once again, folks, I will let you all know right now, if you ride this route, I'm on the Q30 right now, going a Little Neck along with the 31. We will be making a left on 153rd Street. So again, this is 153rd Street right now. We're making a left turn. And again, you know who you can thank for this. Daryl Irick, the president of New York City Bus. So he's the one that did this. We have to thank him for that because again, our traffic nightmare is over for now. So we'll just do a quick POV ride of Jamaica Avenue right now. Do a quick little ride of it. I'm gonna get a better angle. Here we go, this is a better angle. So now we're turning right onto Jamaica Avenue from 153rd Street. So I think now we're going to be picking up this passenger. So now she's going to get on board. We're right by the Social Security building, by the Jamaica Movie Theater. It finally took 2 months. 2 months I begged them. Detour this route. They finally did it. They finally did it. So once again, Daryl Irick, thank you very much. It took 2 months. We finally got this route detoured. Thank goodness. About time. I was really getting annoyed at that stupid traffic on 168th Street. And who knows? Maybe they'll do this full time for this route. I would hope they do that. I would love for this route to be on Jamaica Avenue all the time. It would be easier. We're only, a block away from York College? So, yeah. Not that bad. Again, we got a better view this way. Better view this way of the route. So we're now going past Parsons Boulevard. As you can see here, here's Jamaica Center. So we're now making our way down Jamaica Avenue. And we're now going to continue to 170th Street. The bus will continue its regular route. So, I will quickly mention, when I got on board, the driver had mentioned that we will not be on Archer Avenue. The driver did mention that, so that's pretty good. So there's communication, thank goodness. So we're now passing JPAC, Jamaica Performing Arts Center. Okay, so here we go. So we're now making along the corresponding stops of the Q6, Q8, Q9, and Q41. Wow, that's pretty good. Yeah. Now we're passing by 163rd Street. We're now going to be passing by GameStop shortly. We're now by Brewer Boulevard. So that's pretty good that, you know, going this way, we're making a better time than we would going on Arch Avenue. I'm just looking at my battery pack. I know I had it with me. Here. Battery shortage. So I will plug it in very quickly. I apologize if I put the camera down for a second because there's really not that much to show at the moment because the bus is in the way. Now I'm left wondering, this was a good idea because now the traffic's piling up. Oh, never mind, we're moving. That's good. It's pretty good. Yep. So now we gotta wait it out. Dear boy. You gotta let the bus merge. If you don't, then slide swipe them. We are now about almost 2 blocks away from where the construction zone is. We are now approaching Merrick Boulevard. So we will be dropping off a passenger very shortly. Probably to go to one of the stores around the area. But yeah, we've made good time today. Very good time. We left at around, I'd say 2:29-ish. We did pretty good today. We've been on the road for about 7 minutes. Now I know it's going to take a little bit longer for me to get back to Fresh Meadows, but that's why I left Babylon early. That's why. I knew there was going to be traffic. I had a superstition, folks. And like I said, I don't know how long this construction is going to be on 168th Street. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. I'll also mention one more thing. We'll go over here for just a second. Down there is where the Q17 is now starting. So now the 17 is starting down there because of the road work. So, thanks to me, I got 3 of the bus routes detoured, along with their iron. Alright, so here we go. Yep, that's 168th Street. So now we are back on the regular routes. Now we will be turning on to 170th Street. Right, 170th Street. Now turning on to 170th. So we'll be going on our regular route shortly, which is going to confirm if we are going on to Home Lawn today. Because yesterday the bus route was detoured because of a road obstruction on Home Lawn. So we'll see if we're on 164th Street today. We'll see. I mean, it doesn't matter, because, you know, whatever at this point. Just as long as we avoid that obstacle on 168th Street. That's our problem. Alright. So now we are making our way to Hillside Avenue. On our way shortly. I didn't see somebody that was supposed to make a cameo. I told Andy I was going to be on this bus, Andy Quinto, but I guess he missed me. So I was too busy filming our POV drive for the Detour group. Alright, so we're now making our turn on the hillside. Let's see if we can make the turn. We're just gonna make it. There we go. Now we're gonna be stuck for a while. Let's see what's up down there. Yeah, there we go. Now we're moving. See what the holdup was for a second. couldn't get you on camera. But...
Please, no littering, smoking, spitting, or radio playing on the bus.
Hey, what do you know? Cameo from the Q31 bus. I missed that bus earlier because I just got off from Babylon, so. Now we are going to see if we'll turn on the home lawn very shortly. We're now picking up our passengers. And we'll see how this sets up. Now we're making a turn shortly. We just have to wait for pedestrians. Be very careful because this bus does make a wide turn. Here we go. Making a turn. Alright, we're now on home lawn. Not Detour today. Pretty good. Looks like there's hopefully no road obstruction today, like they claimed yesterday was in the email that I got. Because last night there was a road obstruction and they had to detour this route, so along with 31. So, like I said, by luck, by just luck, just my luck, I walked downstairs, and literally the bus is right there on Sutton Boulevard, right by Archer. Can't make this stuff up. Weird coincidence. So with that, I think we're going to wrap up this video. Once again, I don't know how long this route's going to be detoured for. It may take weeks, it may take months. I don't know. As long as it's like this, I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy that the route will stay on Jamaica Avenue because, again, you don't need that inconvenience road work on 168th Street. Because of me, the traffic's better over there. So, thank you all for watching. Until the next one, please take care.